Hey guys! Welcome back again dito sa YouTube channel and Facebook page namin sa Pamilya Gala Banawa. For today's video, samahan nyo kaming muling pumunta sa Infanta, Quezon. Bisitahin natin muli ang Villa Marcelina at gayon din ang Juanitas Beach Resort. Ayun guys, so kararating lang namin dito sa may Juanitas Beach Resort, dito yun sa Infanta, Quezon. So dumating kami dito ng around 7 PM na ng gabi. So yun, nakapag-set up na kami ng tent. Yung ginamit namin is yung maliit lang na tent na good for 3 to 4 packs. Ayan si Jongjong. Tapos ito, ginamit na natin si Yamato natin, si power station. Tapos naglagay lang din kami ng portable na electric fan. Malakas naman yung hangin dito, may konting pag-ulan-ulan na rin. Ayan, kahit na sobrang lakas ng hangin, ginamitan natin ng electric fan. Gawa nga ng sobrang si Jongjong, sobrang pawisin. Pagod ka na? Op! Toing! Mga nagdadive eh. Bata oh. Init. So yun guys, kami lang yung tao dito. Tapos meron din pala dun sa kabilang grupo. And weekend to guys. November, ano ba ngayon? November 16, Sunday na pala. And
in every moment, my love will be tempted. We'll still be forever, always. Every moment, even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your boat. I'd say of the love we once knew, that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need to be eternal to be fruitful too. In memory and heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that burns.
Tingnan ang ngipin mama. Can I see your teeth?
Look, okay.
Ano yan?
It's only.
Na?
Okay.
Kain ikaw?
Okay.
Ano kinakain mo?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Hindi. Orange yan.
Orange chocolate? Are you happy? Ano sabihin mo kay mama?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Kasali?
Buti pa ito.
Hindi ka kasali, kami lang.
Hindi Jongjong.
Hindi Jongjong?
Hindi pwede Jongjong.
Jongjong na mama, papa, mama. Mama, papa, ganda ka.
Ilang 50 mo?
Diyan lang ikaw ah.
Oh. When you say those things, I don't think you realize what they mean to me. Messing with my head, I'm going ADD. Keep the memories, cause I don't wanna be just friends. Now I'm on my own, scrolling through the messages all on my phone, thinking to myself that I just should've known you were playing games and trying to get inside my head. You said goodbye without saying a single word, and I stood by and watched your faded taillights. That cold night when you said that you love me, now you never called me back. You said goodbye without saying a single word, and I stood by and watched your faded taillights. That cold night, you said that you love me, now you never.
Gaalangan siya eh. Op, bigat na bigat sa katawan eh. Op. Oh, bakit umahon ka? Ha? Ha? Sige lang, uwi ka lang doon. Dahan-dahan. Op, bigat na bigat eh. Wala na. Hiniram na si Jongjong.
Bawi lang sa bayad siya. 400 ko nito.
Nalunod! Nalunod! Nalunod!